Good day, watchers! I already got this watch that I've been wanting for a long time. If you are a fan of my channel, you know I like vivid colors. This is the Seiko Pogue, a highly regarded timepiece that holds significant historical value in the world of watches. Here's a little background of this watch. The Seiko Pogue, also known as the Seiko 6139-6002, which is my version, is a chronograph watch that was first introduced in 1970. It gained popularity for being the first automatic chronograph worn in space, and it was worn by Colonel William Pogue during the Skylab 4 mission in 1973. This historical association with space exploration adds a unique allure to the watch and makes it a coveted piece among watch enthusiasts. By the way, please follow and support my channel. Just one click on the subscribe button below. So this watch is historically beside the Omega Moonwatch Speedmaster and the Bulova Lunar Watch, where both watches made it part of the historical moon landing. One notable feature of the Seiko Pogue is its distinct dial design. It features a vibrant yellow dial with another sub-dial for the second hand, which give it a sporty and eye-catching appearance. The hour markers and hands are coated with luminescent material, ensuring excellent legibility in various lighting conditions. The watch also incorporates a day-date display at the 3 o'clock position, providing added functionality. In terms of build quality, the Seiko Pogue is solid and reliable. It houses the Seiko 6139 automatic movement, which is known for its robustness and accuracy. The movement has a column wheel and a vertical clutch mechanism, ensuring smooth operation of the chronograph functions. The watch also features a sturdy stainless steel case and a hardlex crystal, which offers good scratch resistance. While the Seiko Pogue has gained a cult following and is highly regarded for its historical significance, it's worth noting that it may not have the same level of refinement and luxury as some high-end Swiss chronographs. However, its unique design, reliable movement, and historical value make it an appealing option for collectors and enthusiasts alike. The case is 41mm. The lug-to-lug is 45.5mm. Relatively a good size, especially for those with smaller wrists. Thickness is 13.6mm and the lug size is 20mm. But this looks good with the curved lug bracelet that came with it. This watch that I got is made from 1970. Considering its age, it is still really in good condition. That is why I love buying this kind of watches here in Japan. You just have to be patient and wait for the right one. I got this for about 100,000 yen, and I think you can get it cheaper. Not sure about the condition though. You just have to be careful.
Yes.
Overall, the Seiko Pogue is a notable timepiece with a rich history. Its vibrant dial, solid build quality, and reliable movement make it a desirable choice for those looking for a distinctive and functional chronograph watch. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button below. See you in the next video.
Yes.